Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about the myth that voice acting is just talking and it's super easy. Well, guess what? It's really not. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Anne Ganguzza. If this is your first time here, the purpose of my channel is to make you a better voice actor and to help grow your voiceover business. So if you like what you hear, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know what? Voice acting is hard. Yeah, it really is. There's a lot of reasons for that. There's so many people that think we're just talking into microphones and that it's super simple. But if you think about what we actually have to do, we have to take a piece of paper and read the copy that's on the paper, read those words, and make it sound organic. Make it sound like we just thought of it and it's coming out of our mouths now. It's organic. And the issue with that is that traditionally when we read words from left to right. And it's enough for us to think about the words and sound them out from left to right. But now you've got to actually process those words and understand what is the context of what you're saying. What's the emotion? What's the point of view? And you have to do that kind of instantaneously while you're looking at those words. So there's a lot of stuff that's happening up here in the noggin, and a lot of things that you're thinking about. And it's a little bit different than, let's say, acting on stage, because acting on stage, we can memorize our lines, and then we have all the time in the world to actually see the audience, make a connection with them, and also have an emotion tied to that. Where, with voiceover, we're behind the mic. It's an imaginary audience. And so we have to make up that scene. So that's on top of that. We are making up a scene. We're imagining that we're talking to somebody. And we're actually having to have a conversation without actually having a physical person or a physical audience out there to actually look at and kind of bounce those ideas off of, bounce that feeling, that emotion off of. So we've got an awful lot of stuff that we're doing when we are just reading copy and we're voicing. So it's a whole lot more than just using our voice. So yeah, voice acting is hard. And anybody trying to tell you anything different is probably trying to sell you something.